Hello YouTube, VST here, Tech. Welcome back to my second video. I totally ruined my phone. I think the correct term for this is called soft brick. Well, you know what a brick is, right? And you know what a phone is. So when you take your phone and when you take a brick, yeah, you know what it means. It means that the phone really died on you. There are like practically mainly two types of bricking your phone. The worst thing to do is to brick your phone in a hardware way or somehow lock it. So you either have to find some hackers that can help you with some codes. If we're speaking about Xiaomi devices, you can try to unlock bootloaders and stuff like this. Or of course, you can probably just wipe out something you're not supposed to, etc. And a lot of these bricks really are soft bricks, meaning that you can still do some magic, put your phone into recovery or the download mode and try to use audio, etc. But hey, see here what I have on the screen, guys. Yesterday I did a video while I was using the refresh rate and a GPU watch. This made my Galaxy S22 Ultra to restart. This morning I tried to keep up the test, guys, and then I discovered that only using GPU watch was enough to break my phone. So there is definitely something with GPU watch. And of course, usually after this kind of test, I just enter my recovery mode and I delete and wipe the cache partition. A lot of people do recommend you to do so after every OS upgrade, etc. Honestly, I'm not a big fan. I do this once in a while, but then instead I use Samsung Good Guardians. Pretty much, doing the same thing. Of course, not the same, but optimizing all the applications. Now, probably best is to do both. Today, I deleted or I wiped my cache partition 3 times. And after the third time, guys, it was all gone. The phone really is now a brick. I am right now inside my device here. You can just see the storage, right? So I officially have now -1 bytes, whatever. Yeah, 8 GB. I mean, come on, that's an S22 Ultra, right? Yeah, once I click inside, guys, you're gonna see what happens. All right, probably need to do it one more time. See, I lost all, guys. All my images are gone, all my videos are gone, everything is gone. Like, yeah, it was just thank you for the fish and etc. Right? Like everything is just that, guys. Some of the applications I was able to get them back, and I can use Telegram, I can use Messenger and etc. See what happens when I open my gallery, guys. I open my gallery and then I can see all my 1900 pictures and videos. That's it. I mean, I know they're there, but it's all corrupt. And this happens, when you play with your phone in a way you're not to manned. And this is what I'm saying, guys. Don't do this at home. Don't do this in the office, right? Or, of course, if you want, yeah, be my guest. But right now, I'm experiencing this problem. The Android providers, media application keeps stopping. Practically what happened is the phone lost the storage. So the storage is no longer presented to the phone. All right, I can just show you guys. If I try to open and use Samsung My Files, some of the files I'm still able to access, but see, the internal storage is 0, okay? So this is devastating, right? And I do, of course, have some backups, but right now I need to perform a software reset. See here, internal storage, 0 bytes, right? And if I click to my images, yeah, something is there. Yeah, actually nothing is there. It's just 0. And this is very, very frustrating. Even if I try to open some of my chats, Viber will try to open, then it will close. The phone just died on me, guys. And this is why I wanted to make this video. When I give warnings, right, of course, they are just recommendations. But why do I do this? I mean, I do this so you have the chance to just see how bad it goes or good and then decide for yourself. But practically, I do it so that you can skip doing it. And yeah, this is actually the whole part of it. It's very, very much annoying. I tried, of course, to use also some of the other browsers. Now, what is very fun is that some of my applications are working, right? Some of my applications are not working. Something totally happened with the storage and the phone thinks it doesn't have storage. So it's very frustrating. See, right now, main storage not available. So when I try to go inside my main storage, yeah, nothing will happen because there is no main storage. So that means that the storage is now corrupt, and the only way for me doing this is just going to do the full reset, the hardware reset, right? Wiping everything, loading error folder doesn't exist anymore. Everything keeps crashing. It's just, very dissatisfying. Though some of the things, do work. If I open Telegram, for example, or at least it used to work 20 minutes ago, I don't have any problem. I can, still chat. Also, I was able to listen to my music. I also had problems with the Knox license. So, okay, yeah. See, Now it will start, right, and it's really weird. When I go inside the main root cause of this, I can see that the common Android provider's media application storage, 52 gigabytes using internal storage, okay? And that's not the reality. I have more than this. I have more than that. I have probably more than 120 G of videos and also of pictures, and it's all gone Pete Tong. I mean, there is a movie, go watch it, right? So that's a test story for me. I have now to invest probably half a day, reset the phone, put all my application back, and you can just see, guys, what can I tell? It is a sad story, right? This is a sad story, and for me, the main driver to this video is just to show you guys, sometimes when you mess with things like this, this is what you get. I issued a warning yesterday, right? And I told the guys, hey, if you try to use GPU watch with the refresh rate with the camera, then you probably end up like this. This morning, only the GPU watch was able to somehow mess up with my phone. I don't have any recent images, nothing. I mean, it's actually all gone, guys. It's really devastating. And no matter which file managers I use, right? If I try to go inside, let me just try. I'm gonna do this in real time with you guys. If I try to go inside, nothing really happens because it's just not there. The storage is not mounted to my operating system. And I really hope it's just a software problem, guys, right? I don't really expect that you can break a phone like this. And this would actually be the hardware brick to just put so much strain on the phone, right? And do something stupid, right? Then you break your phone. Of course, I did that in the past too with some of my other phones. So specifically in the phones where you have root and when you're not sure what you're doing and you're deleting some images that you're not supposed to, and etc. Okay. I think this video is already too long, guys. Don't be like me, right? Don't mess up with things you're not supposed to, else you will end up with something like this, and I can guarantee you guys, you will not like it. But this is the reality. For me right now, I think it's all, just water under the bridge, so I accept it. I'll move on. I will perform the hardware reset, and hey, we learned something new, right? Like GPU watch, probably also with the combination with the internal refresh rate tool, is kind of breaking your phone. New thing learned. If you have liked the video, guys, thumbs up. Please leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel, guys. And before I shoot myself, I'm going to deal with my phone. VST over and bye.